Hey everyone, Malachi from Frase here. Today, we're going to be talking about the Knowledge tab. This is the central hub where all the information your chatbot uses to respond to users is stored and managed. Whether you're automatically importing content or manually training your bot, it all happens right here. Inside the Knowledge tab, you'll find two key sections, Crawls and Datasets. Let's start with Crawls. I'll click on New Crawl here, and you'll see a few options. Crawls allow your chatbot to gather information automatically from external sources, so you don't have to input everything by hand. For example, with Site Crawl here, using this option, the platform is going to scan the text across your site and all of your public pages and pull that content directly into the chatbot's brain. It's going to pull in all of the text content and all of the PDF content on that site. RSS feed crawling is another powerful feature. It's perfect for events or announcements, allowing the chatbot to stay up to date on dates, times, and locations. Once you're done with crawling, you'll move on to datasets. Datasets are your chatbot's curated memory. This is where you train the chatbot to say exactly what you'd like it to say to specific questions. Datasets contain manual entries, which are ideal for fine-tuning the bot's responses or correcting how it answers. Whenever you train your chatbot from the Consider Training section in Analytics, those new entries can go straight into a dataset. Now, of course, you can also create entries manually by clicking into the dataset. You'll just click Add Dataset Entry, and then choose either New Entry or Variant of Existing. In short, crawls bring in the raw data, and datasets give you precision control. Together, they power your chatbot's brain and help you deliver more accurate, helpful responses automatically or by design. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at team@frase.io. Thanks.